Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a safe and effective weed killer out of 3 ingredients that you probably have in your house, and I'm going to show you the effects of it after just 4 hours right here. Look at these amazing results after just 4 hours. All these weeds were sprayed just 4 hours ago. Now I'm going to show you 24 hours after spraying. There's a lot of grass here, but it's dying or dead. And then all these weeds in the expansion joints in the concrete, all dead or dying. All that edging that I sprayed, dead or dying. This is before and this is after. Dead. All dead after 24 hours. Let me show you how to make it. You probably already have these 3 ingredients in your cupboard. Vinegar, 5% acidity, some regular Morton iodized salt, any type of iodized salt, and I got dish soap in here, so any type of dish soap, only a few squirts. And mix it all together in a sprayer, so that's a gallon sprayer. Mix it all together and spray it on your weeds. You typically want a hot, dry day, and if it's in the sun, even better. So you spray it on your weeds and you wait and they die. This stuff will kill anything. So use it sparingly around your driveway, in your flower beds where the weeds are isolated from your other plants. You can't use this in your lawn or your grass because it will damage it. This is a safe alternative to the other more harsh chemicals, especially if you have pets and children and you want to spray around their toys and stuff. Just get your gallon of vinegar, 5% acidity. Right there, 5% acidity. Pour it in your whatever you're using to spray, or you can spray, mix it in a bucket and put it in little handheld squirters. If you're doing a lot, then one of these pump sprayers or a battery sprayer will work great. Pour that all in there. Now 1 cup of salt. I already know there's a cup of salt left in here. Pour that all in there. Next, pour your liquid dish soap in. Now this helps the solution stick to the leaves and dry them out. Doesn't take very much, a few squirts, a couple tablespoons of dish soap. Put your lid on. Hopefully it's not overfilled like mine. See, good thing it's just vinegar. Ideally, you'd want to put this in a 2-gallon sprayer. Go ahead and put your top on, screw it down. Wipe up any mess. Remember, it's just vinegar and salt and soap. It's not going to hurt anything. Might stink a little. Get that nice and tight. Now it's really full, so I'm going to have to keep repumping it after I relieve the pressure. So pump up your sprayer and start spraying. When you finish with the weed killer, yeah, I used it all. Got a big yard. Go ahead and don't forget to wash it out. Take the cap off slowly, unless you relieve all the pressure through the wand, because it's going to go like so. And just get a water hose and rinse it out. And then set it out to dry.